problem that we started in class but didn't have time to finish. Negative 6 is less than or equal to 2/3 x plus 4 is less than 12. Like I've said before, we could break this up into two simple inequalities. We need the 2/3 x plus 4 for both, though. And I'm just going to do this as one, and we'll just take, we're just going to treat it kind of like a three-sided equation. Like this is equal to this is equal to this. So anything I do to the middle, I need to do to both of the sides that are not the middle as well. If you haven't tried this yet, try it before you watch the video and see if you come up with the same answer. Okay, so first step, I'm trying to get this x by itself, and I have this 4 that's in my way and this 2/3 that's in my way. I'm going to use SADMEP, which is PEMDAS backwards. I'm going to get rid of my 4 first, subtract 4 here. Because I'm doing the entire thing, I'm going to subtract 4 from all three sides, I guess, all three parts. So because I'm solving this inequality and this inequality, I need to subtract 4 from all three spots. So negative 6 minus 4, that's going to be more negative, so negative 10 is less than or equal to 2/3 x. My plus 4 and my minus 4 cancel each other out, is less than 12 minus 4, which is 8. Okay, so now I have 2/3 in the middle. I'm going to multiply this by 3/2. That's my multiplication symbol, not an x. Okay, 2/3 times 3/2. Well, 3 times 2 is 6, and 3 times 2 is 6, so that's 6 divided by 6, which is 1. That's just going to leave me with an x. But I also need to multiply this by 3/2 and multiply this by 3/2. There. So negative 10 times 3/2, keep my signs. I'm going to do some division first. So negative 10 divided by 2, that's negative 5. Negative 5 times 3 is negative 15. 8 divided by, we'll go the other way this time, 8 times 3, and it doesn't matter. You're going to come up with the same answer. So if I do 8 times 3 first and then divide by 2, it'll be the same thing as if I divide 8 by 2 first and then multiply by 3. It doesn't change. You can try it both ways. We'll do it both ways. 8 times 3, that's 24. 24 divided by 2, that's 12. 8 divided by 2, that's 4. 4 times 3, that's 12. Okay, so negative 15 is less than or equal to x is less than, and x is less than 12. So on our graph, we have to go all the way down here. Let's just go negative 20 and negative 10, 0, 10, 20. Okay, so negative 15, that is right here, right between negative 20 and negative 10. It's less than or equal to, so that's our filled in dot. And then our other side is less than 12, so we're going to say 12 is about here. And that's not equal to, it's just less than, so that's an open circle. And then our x can be anything in between. We don't have to fill that in. You just need a line going from one to the other. Okay, doesn't need to look like that. Does need to be a solid dot on the negative 15 because it includes negative 15. Apparently the smoke is bad. It does include the negative 15. It does not include the positive 12, so that's an open circle. But that's what it should generally look like. Okay, hopefully that helps. And then I will also post the other problem that we didn't get to.